Hey guys, what's up? Jai Hind. This is Ananya, your SSC Master Teacher at Vedantu. So I welcome you to the series of Let's Revise. Guys, this is a new series which we have started on this channel, Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel. In this series, guys, we are dealing with all those topics wherein the students are requesting us a lot to make videos on some important topics. All right, wherein the students are finding it very difficult to understand those topics. So, just on your request, guys, we are making these videos. And today, guys, I came up with a video on the types of soil. All right. So people, in a similar way, if you guys want us to make similar videos on the other topics also, I want you guys to let me know in the comment section that you want me to make videos on which topic. Okay, so accordingly I'll be taking up the explanation of those topics which you want. Okay, chalo. So guys, without any further delay, let's get started with this video on types of soil. And if you are new, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. All right. Now guys, in this video, I'm not going to talk about the importance of soil. Like everyone is aware, like soil is a basic raw material, basic component for the plant growth. All right. It's a renewable resource. It takes 100 to thousands of years for the formation of 1 centimeter thick soil. The formation of soil depends upon many factors. All right, we know all these stuffs, but guys, in this video I'm going to explain you just about the types of soil in India. All right, so guys, on the screen you will find a map of India and you can see the distribution of various types of soil in India. Like if you look at the index part, you will come across the forest soil, alluvial soil, red and yellow soil, black soil, laterite soil, arid soil. These are the different types of soil we have in India. So one by one, we will be understanding each and every soil in detail. Let's start from the very first one and the most important soil in India and the most fertile soil in India, that is alluvial soil. All right, chalo. Guys, first of all, remember one thing, alluvial soil is the most fertile soil you will find in India. Okay. Where this soil type is most important and widely spread in India. It contributes the largest share of our agricultural wealth and supports the bulk of India's population. So many people are dependent upon this soil. Now the question arises, in which part of India you will find this soil? Guys, this soil is formed due to the depositional work done by 3 important rivers and its tributaries. The rivers are River Indus, River Ganga, and River Brahmaputra and their tributaries. So these rivers are descending from Himalayas. They are carrying a lot of alluvium with it, and that alluvium is deposited in the North Indian plain, which has given rise to North Indian plain being the most fertile area. That is what is good for agriculture, right? So it is formed due to the depositional work done by 3 important rivers coming from Himalayas, descending from Himalayas. So it covers the entire northern plains like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam. Okay, and some part of Rajasthan and Gujarat also. And guys, not only the northern plain, some part of Rajasthan and Gujarat also, but in the eastern coastal plain also. Okay, now the question arises, which rivers has given rise to alluvial soil in the eastern coastal plain? So those are eastern peninsula rivers, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi, right? Yes. Okay guys, this is North Indian plain. You can see it is extended up to Pakistan also. Guys, let's understand about the types of alluvial soil. Guys, basically there are 2 types of alluvial soil, Khadar and Bangar. Khadar is a new alluvial deposition and Bangar is a old alluvial deposition. So basically guys, when the river flows, it keeps on depositing alluvium. Okay, it keeps on depositing alluvium because river is flowing continuously. It is carrying a lot of alluvium with it, and that alluvium is continuously deposited. So due to the continuous deposition of alluvium, it gives rise to formation of new alluvium soil also. All right, new alluvial soil, and due to the continuous deposition of new alluvium, that type of soil is known as Khadar. Okay, so according to the age, they can be classified into 2, Bangar and Khadar. Khadar is new alluvium deposition, okay, which is a continuous process done by the river, and Bangar is the old alluvial deposition. Okay, so guys, which one is more fertile? Khadar is more fertile. ठीक है? Okay, which one is more mature? Bangar is more mature because it is old alluvial deposition. Clear? Then let's understand about the cultivation. All right, guys, mostly these soils contains adequate proportion of potash, phosphorus and lime, which are ideal for the growth of sugarcane, rice, wheat and other cereals and pulses crops. Guys, regions of alluvial soil are intensely cultivated and densely populated. Matlab the regions where you will find alluvial soil, it is densely populated, guys. Like for example, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Okay, those areas are densely populated, guys. Whereas soils in the drier area, like in the western part of Rajasthan and Gujarat, soils in those areas are more alkaline and becomes productive after proper treatment and irrigation. So guys, why they are alkaline, guys? What is known as alkaline soil? When the pH value is very high, like more than 8.5. When the pH value is more than 8.5, the soil becomes alkaline in nature. So guys, this soil can be used for cultivation with the help of irrigation and fertilizers. Simple as that. Alright guys, cool, simple. Okay. People, let's move to the next type of soil, and that is red and yellow soil. By the way guys, try to understand why the soil is red or yellow in color. The soil is red in color due to the diffusion of iron, and it is yellow in color when it is in the hydrated form. Let's understand in which area it is found. Guys, red soil develops due to the weathering of crystalline igneous rocks in the areas of low rainfall in the southern parts of Deccan Plateau. Now people, what is weathering process? The process of breaking of the rocks into smaller particles. In a very simple words. Alright. So it can be due to different agents of erosion. It can be due to river, it can be due to wind, it can be due to running water, it can be due to glaciers. Alright. Now, where it is found? Let's understand the distribution. People, yellow and red soil are found in the parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of Middle Ganga Plain, and along the Piedmont zone of the Western Ghats. Guys, what is Piedmont zone? Piedmont zone is basically a gentle slope which leads from foothills to the plain area. So it's a gentle slope from foothills to the plain area. So that zone is known as the Piedmont zone. Alright. So it is also found in the Piedmont zone of the Western Ghats, western side of India. I hope everyone is aware where is Western Ghat. Clear? Features. These soils develops a reddish color. Why? Due to the diffusion of iron. And why it is found in yellow color? How it is found in yellow color? Due to when it is in hydrated form. Already said you. Cultivation. Okay. It is very good for the growth of wheat, rice, pulses, millets, tobacco, when the use of fertilizers and irrigation. So with the help of proper use of fertilizers and irrigation, this soil is very good for the growth of wheat, rice, pulses, millets, tobacco, so on and so forth. Cool. Coming to the next soil, guys, that is black soil. Guys, before we move ahead with the black soil, do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new. Do not forget to hit the like button and also share this video with all your friends. Alright. And guys, one more thing, do let me know in the comment section that you want revision on which topics. Okay, you want me to make like from this particular series that is Let's Revise, you want me to make like video on which topic. All right, do let me know guys in the comment section. Okay, clear? Now guys, black soil is also known as rigor soil, and it is also known as black cotton soil. People, why it is known as black cotton soil? Because it is good for the growth of cotton. Okay, cultivation of cotton, that is what is known as black cotton soil. Guys, you should know the parent rock of this black soil. The parent rock of this black soil is basalt rock. Okay, and mostly you will find in Deccan Plateau. Like this soil is typically of the northwest Deccan Plateau and is made up of lava flows. So due to the volcanic eruption, when the lava comes out and when it solidifies, it gives rise to basalt rock, and further weathering process on basalt rock leads to black soil, okay, which is very good for the growth of cotton. Guys, they cover the plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra is in Gujarat, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, so on and so forth. Features. Let's understand about the features of this soil. Guys, the black soil are made up of extremely fine, that is clay materials. They are well known for the capacity to hold moisture, which is a very good feature of soil. In addition, they are rich in soil nutrients such as calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime. These soils are generally poor in phosphoric content. So make sure that you guys are making a note of this point. This soil is generally poor with phosphoric content. They develop deep cracks during hot weather, which helps in the proper aeration of the soil. Aeration means air can pass, okay, through the soil, so which is a very important feature. Now, where these soils are sticky when wet and difficult to work on unless it is tilled immediately after the first shower or during the pre-monsoon period. Means what I'm trying to say, after the first shower or the pre-monsoon, the soil should be made use of it, okay. The soil should be made use of it, like for example, it should the cultivation should start, all right, because after that it is very difficult to work on this soil after the first shower. Cultivation. Guys, it is very suitable for the production of cotton, tobacco, oil seeds, sugar cane. Yes. So guys, if we talk about black soil, it should be made use of after the first shower, or else it becomes very difficult to work on such soil. All right. Now guys, the next one which we have on the screen is the forest soil. Okay, guys, it is mostly found in the Himalayan regions of India. Guys, the formation of this soil is mainly governed by the feature like characteristic deposition of organic matter derived from the forest growth. So there is a lot of organic matter which you will find in this soil. All right. Okay, guys, one more feature. Guys, texture varies according to the mountain environment where they are formed. Okay, means as the altitude increases, the type of forest soil also differs. Guys, they are loomy silty in valley sites. Guys, what is one called loomy silty in valley sites? Loomy or silty means consisting of sand, silt, and clay, and coarse grained. Guys, what is a coarse grained? As you can see over here, I have written coarse means having a noticeable grainy appearance. So I want you guys to write down the meaning also. Okay, they are coarse grained in the upper slopes. Coarse grained means having a noticeable grainy appearance. Okay, I hope you have written the meaning also. Good one. Distribution. Let's see where they are found. Where it is found. It is found in the mountainous region, that is Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, that is in the northeastern side, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh in the northwestern side of Himalayas. It is snow covered. In the snow covered areas of Himalayas, these soils have low humus and are acidic. It should be humus. यहाँ पे humus लिखा है, it should be humus, guys. All right. So okay, guys, why the humus is less? What is one of humus? Remains of dead plants is known as humus. Guys, as the altitude increases, the forest cover reduces. That is why you will find less of humus in this soil as you move at high altitude. Clear? Guys, this soil is suitable for the cultivation of tea, coffee, spices, and also fruits. Coming to the next one, laterite soil. People, laterite soil is formed due to heavy rainfall, due to the leaching process happens due to heavy rainfall and due to high temperature. All right. So let's understand more about the laterite soil. Yes, laterite word is derived from a Latin word means later. Later means brick. This soil develops in areas with high temperature and heavy rainfall. So due to high temperature and heavy rainfall, what happens? The top layer of the soil is removed, is washed off. And as we know that the top layer consists of organic matter, and it's a nutrient rich soil. So just imagine if the nutrient rich soil is removed, it will be very difficult. Basically the soil will become infertile. So this soil requires high doses of fertilizers, irrigation, all right. So to make it cultivable. Where these soils are mainly found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and the hilly regions of Odisha and Assam. With appropriate soil conservation techniques in hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, this soil has become very useful for the growth of tea and coffee. Red laterite soil in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala are suitable for the growth of cashew nuts. Laterite soil can be used for cultivation if adequate manure and fertilizers are used. Why? Because the top soil gets removed, gets washed off due to the leaching process of which is happening due to heavy rainfall and high temperature. Coming to the last one, that is arid soil. Guys, arid means very dry, and guess it is found mostly in the northwestern side of India, that is in Rajasthan. All right, chalo, let's know more about this soil. People, arid soils can be red to brown in color. It varies. They are generally sandy in texture and saline in nature. In some areas, the salt content is very high, like in the deserted areas of Rajasthan. Guys, arid soil is formed due to the mechanical weathering of rocks from sand. Guys, do you know there are three types of weathering: chemical weathering, mechanical weathering, biological weathering. Obviously, guys, we are not discussing these three different types of weathering, but just for your information, I am telling you, mechanical weathering is very common in deserted regions, in extreme climatic conditions. Acha, where it is found, as I already told you, in some part of Rajasthan, northern Gujarat, southern Punjab. So that is the northwestern side of India. Guys, after proper irrigation, these soils becomes cultivable, as has been in the case of western Rajasthan. Okay. Guys, this soil is very good for the growth of barley, cotton, millets, maize. Guys, in the western Rajasthan, you will find in the northern part of Rajasthan, after the development of Indira Gandhi Canal. So this soil is very good for, the soil has become very good for the growth of many crops. Features. Guys, due to the dry climate and high temperature, evaporation is very fast. Thus, the soil lacks humus and moisture and is very dry. Okay, humus is very less because the vegetal cover is very less. The forest cover is very less. Humus means the remains of dead plants. Alright, people. I hope you understood the topic till now. That's great, guys. Now, guys, not only on YouTube, you guys can also take our pro subscription, guys. Yes. So, guys, not only on YouTube, you can also attend the live sessions of all the teachers on our platform, guys. How? Let me tell you, guys. First of all, guys, let me tell you about one amazing feature of Vedantu, which no other institute will give you except Vedantu. And the promise is improvement promise. What is improvement promise, guys? Let's say after taking our long-term batches for the entire year, if you feel that the improvement doesn't take place as per your expectations, so whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, entire fees will be given back to you. Yes, you have heard it right. So no other institute will ever give you this promise, the promise which Vedantu gives you. But other than this, guys, there are many advantages of Vedantu. First of all, unlimited live classes. Okay, like on YouTube, it will be a mix of premiered and the live classes. Over there, every session is going to be live. And while you attend these live sessions, you are actually competing with the students throughout the world. Because after every 5 to 10 minutes, we take quizzes. And guys, as you know, that from your term 1 point of view, quizzes are very important. It is going to be like MCQ based exam. After every 5 to 10 minutes of every chapter, of every subject, we take many quizzes. So while you participate in these quiz, You are participating with the students throughout the world, because students are Vedantu are from different parts of world. Now, if you miss out the session due to any reason, maybe due to power cut, due to poor connectivity, you can watch the replays. And these replays are going to be interactive replays. Means while watching the replays also, you can participate in the quiz. You can find your name on the leaderboard. Yes, amazing thing. You can even download the notes which are made by us. Okay, now the most important thing, doubts on our live sessions, on our, while taking our, if you take our pro subscription, you can ask unlimited questions, not only during the session but after the class also. Yes, you can ask unlimited questions. Continuously tests are taken, assignments are given to you. Guys, all these benefits you will not find in our pro subscription on YouTube, guys. Are you getting it? Only on pro subscription. Micro courses, topic specific courses. Let's say you attended one of the chapter, that is agriculture, let's say. All right, and if you wish to revise this chapter once again, and that too you want to see it live, you want to attend this live session, you can take up a micro course. Unlimited micro courses, crash courses are revision courses. This is what unlimited you will get on Vedantu. So guys, how you can avail these benefits which you will not get on YouTube? It's very simple, guys. The link is there in the description box. Click on that link. You will be redirected to the website. I will show you how you can do this. You can use my coupon code as ADPRO to get flat 10% off. How you can do this? Let me show you. Alright, guys, just, yeah. Guys, this is one of my video on YouTube. Okay, guys, I also made a, recently I made a video on become a topper by avoiding these 10 common mistakes. Alright, guys, hit the like button. मैंने भी नहीं किया था. Okay, guys, just go to show more. Either you can go to show more or you can see the comment section, the very first comment. Okay. Like if you are planning for term 1. Okay, guys, the best part is like we came up with the crash course for term 1 also. Means if you want that, if you are still not confident with the term 1 examination, let's say like you are like, sir, we are not confident with term 1. Are you taking separate course only on term 1 until and unless term 1 is not completed? Yes, we have a course for term 1 also, exclusive term 1 course. Alright, just click on over here, CBSE 10th term 1 crash course. If you are in 9th, you can accordingly enroll to the 9th batch also. And guys, the price is only 6,300 for all the benefits which I said you now. And this is not for 1 month, this is for entire term 1. The actual price is 10,000. It has came down to 7,000. And if you apply my coupon code as ADPRO, which is already applied by the way over here, you can see, you will get flat 10% off. It is not, if it is not applied, you will find such kind of option, apply coupon. Just apply my coupon as ADPRO. Get flat 10% off. Are you guys getting it? With all these benefits, except that Vedantu promise. Guys, if you wanted Vedantu promise, for that you have to take our long-term batches for entire year. And guys, this is for our long-term batches. Like Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. Guys, in Pro Classic, you will get a doubts app on your mobile. So after the class also, you can ask unlimited question. In Pro Plus, you will get a personal mentor. Guys, the fees is for entire year. Yes, for entire year. But the best part is like you can also try it for 1 month at 2340 if you apply my coupon code as ADPRO. So guys, my personal suggestion would be according to your pocket, according to your need, you can take the plan, at least try it for 1 month and take the advantages. How you can download the notes, guys, let me guide you. Guys, once you take our pro subscription, you will get such kind of dashboard like your upcoming classes, your past sessions. Just go to past sessions. You can click on replay. You can watch the replays. n number of times, anytime, anywhere. Like just click on the link. You can see these are my handwritten notes, personal handwritten notes. You can download it. All right. These are live sessions. Then you can click on get notes to download all these notes. Guys, you can download all these handwritten notes which are made by me. Even all these notes. Are you guys getting it? So it's very simple, guys. It's very, very simple. There are many, many advantages. All right. Now, guys, ये जो promise है ना, this promise is for long-term students. Means if you take our long-term batches for entire year, and after taking our long-term batches, if you feel that the progress is not as per your expectations, so whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, entire fees will be given back to you. Simple as that. But we need a small commitment from your end. You have to attend minimum 75% of the live classes, and minimum 75% of the test should be completed. If you give us such commitment, then we will promise you. Guys, these are our batches. If you are in 9th, accordingly you can see the batches will start from 13th September. For 10th, it is already started, by the way. For term 1, the batches are soon going to start. If you want to take foundation, NEET, JEE batches, this is the timetable, guys. So you can accordingly be a part of our sessions. The link is there in the description box. Use my coupon code ADPRO to get flat 10% off. So thank you so much, kids, for attending my session. I hope the session was very, very useful to you. If you want me to make such videos, do let me know in the comment section that you want me to make videos on which topics. All right, in which topics you guys are finding it difficult, do let us know. I'll be making videos on those topics. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for attending my session. Do not forget to hit the like button, and that's it. Thank you so much. Keep loving Chintu sir. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind.